Train is about to leave. Whoever wants to go in the train, come quickly. Give me your hand.
Brother, hold my hand.
Hey, brother, why did you close the door? I also want to go in the train.
Hey, the train seat is full. You go back now.
Hey, brother, I will go without sitting in the train. If you let me get on the train, I will give this new gadget for free.
What will I do with this small kid?
This gadget is very unique. Take it out of the packet and soak it in water like this. And look at this. Pure cotton soft handkerchief is ready.
First, tell everyone to like and subscribe this video.
Hey friends, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you do, he lets me get on the train.
Come on, hurry. Get in the train.